Welcome to Design of Structure. We are going to start some visual and what discussion about the structural planning involving points. First point is position and orientation of column. Position and orientation of the column should be that type from which any wall are not outside and inside of the column. It is on total on actually on beam. Also, the location columns such that arranged in which all load are proportionally equally divided into the main portion of the column. That's why that column transfer the load to the foundation. Column on the property line. There are some column idealization in which property line shift inside and combine putting such like this. We need to shift column in such a manner that they are involving each other and transferring load to each other easily and maintain the other beam grid and slab grid. Large span of beam should preferably be avoided for economy reason in such a manner that we can see a figure in which we can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 column fixed. But in such kind of condition, there are 3 beam placed in a one beam. In that case, we need to take a small column to support this big span beam. That case, we can select two alternatives. Alternative first, in which we can only make one column, and in another on two column, which is suitable and comfortable with design. In general, the maximum of beam carrying live load up to 4 kN per meter square may be limited to the following value. Beam type rectangular and flange, cantilever, simply supported and fixed continuous beam, 3 meter, 6 meter, 8 meter, 5 meter, 10 meter, and 12 meter respectively. Avoid large spacing of column. To sometime or because of client or any structural requirement, we avoid some column between long space, but it is dangerous to the structure. That's why avoid that thing. Column should be available in a big hall. In big hall, it is compulsory to have a column at particular location that the structure stand with. Select the position of column in such a way that bending moment is in beam is reduced. Sometimes columns are placed according to the grid, but as per structural guideline and structural philosophy from the past experience, we can adjust that column beyond the limb so that we can maintain the analysis and bending moment. That why our design is become light and economic. Orientation of column. This is the most important part for the project to read the column details like from orientation of the column. Projection of column outside the wall in the room should be avoided. We can study first figure plan, avoid offset. Columns are defined such that the length or width of the column direction to the wall are similar to the wall thickness so that offset are avoided. Another case, matching of column width with wall. As I already said that the next bracing of column at linter level. Columns are braced with lintel such that the lintel also connected to the column and support the lintel level, and the lintel chajja may be constructed very easy. The column should be so oriented that the depth of the column is contained in the measure plan of bending, or depth of column is perpendicular to the measure axis of bending. We can adjust this column by 90-degree rotation. After rotating 90 degree, it is behave like this, but it is not suitable for this kind of plan because this between distance is very less compared to this between distance. That's why to protect and to get proper support, we can take direction of the column such this case. Location of beam. Beam shall normally be provided under the wall or below a heavy concentrated load to avoid this load directly coming on a slab. In that case, support cantilever condition, slab system, maximum recommended span of slab, one-way slab, two-way slab for cantilever, or simply one-way, two-way, fixed and continuous one-way and two-way length for 5 kilonewton per meter square. Maximum spacing is like 1.5 meter for one-way, 2 meter for two-way as a cantilever, and as a simple one-way as a 3.5, two-way as a 4.5 meter. For fixed beam or continuous beam, one way it is granted 4.5 and 6 as per Indian standard and also from the part experience. Avoid large spacing of beam from serviceability criteria, deflection and cracking. This table is also given in IS 456 2000 clause number 23.2 that types of beam and maximum L by D ratio is taken from this equation. For cantilever, it is 7 into modification factor, simply supported 20 into modification factor, and continuous beam 26 into modification factor. Modification factor value are given in the graph provided in the IS code. Spacing of slab. Generally, uh, one way and two way slab defined by this one ratio Ly by Lx in such a way Ly by Lx ratio greater than or equal to 2, it's called one way slab, and two way slab Ly by Lx ratio less than 2, it's called two way slab. So that we can idealize the slab is one way or two way and then do the needful to the structure. We are going to skip such instruction because we already studied in our past semester. Notation of slab. Spacing of slab is also decided by the necessity of continuous adjacent slab. We already studied these conditions in a ESD and RCC 1 2, so we can ignore that thing. S1 is noted as two-dimensional arrow at one place, and same as two-dimensional arrow both sides. The dimension sign is called one way, and this dimension sign is called two way. S1 or S2 are only the notation